सलाम एंड नमस्कार। आज चल रहा है प्ले योर म्यूजिक डे और आप हैं इस वक्त शुभ्रा के साथ एंड द गेस्ट विद मी इन द स्टूडियोज इज शीतल आथा। हाय शीतल, वेलकम टू रेडियो वन।
हाय शुभ्रा, थैंक यू।
आप एक डाइट कंसल्टेंट हैं, राइट? आप इस मुकाम पर कैसे पहुंची?
वेल, आई नेवर थॉट दैट आई विल बी अ डाइटिशियन. By profession, I am a quality manager. I work with IBM Technologies. 5 to 6 years back, when I got overweight and I worked on reducing, I learned quite a lot. In fact, I never believed in diet. But when I really learned about it, I felt I wish I knew this before. I would have a much better life than what I have today. My journey started from that day.
This is fascinating. When you're saying you were overweight, how much were you overweight?
I lost almost 23 kgs.
23 kgs?
Yes.
You are like God sent to me. You're going to spill all the beans. You're going to tell me all the secrets. I want to look as good as you.
Sure. I'll be more than happy to help you out.
This is fantastic. So are you still continuing with your job or you become a diet consultant full time?
I am continuing with my work. Luckily, IBM gives lots of flexibility, work from home. I'm able to do both the job. I usually do diet consulting in the evening or during the weekends.
शीतल आथा से चल रही हैं बातें.
Sheetal, fascinating. 23 kgs is what you have lost. You researched on diets that can be followed. You found, I think, the best diet for yourself. You've turned into a diet consultant. स्टूडियो से निकलने नहीं दूंगी जब तक वो पूरा डिटेल नहीं शेयर करेंगे कि क्या खाया, क्या छोड़ा, क्या क्या किया.
Initially, I just believed in exercise and just exercise. I didn't bother what I was eating. I did reduce weight, but there was a stage when I reached plateau. I did a lot of research. I read lots of books. I was talking to doctors, and the first time I saw that most of the things that I was eating was absolutely wrong. Like processed food, chocolates, wafers. I never used to take fruits, which I started. I never liked curd. Now I have curd almost every day. It's surprising for my mother, and my mother is astonished. I mean, the kind of food that I take and the kind of salads that I make and things which she cannot imagine I'm eating now. At least 2 fruits every day, 2 glasses of milk every day. It benefits quite a lot. Morning I usually start with almonds, lukewarm water, low-fat milk because I'm following a low-fat diet. Oats, sometimes wheat flakes. Protein shake I have later in my breakfast with apple or with peanut butter and toast.
Now, isn't this protein shake a processed food?
I'm totally vegetarian. I don't have egg also. The reason I need to go for it is because I work out, my protein requirement is quite a lot. So
You have to supplement.
Yes.
We will continue talking to Sheetal Adha. How much time did it take you to lose 23 kgs?
Less than a year.
Less than a year?
Yeah.
That is really fantastic. Okay, now, breakfast का आपका थोड़ा idea हो गया. What is a typical lunch for you?
Okay, lunch is simple, balanced food, roti, sabzi, and I go for salad. At times I mix tofu or paneer with salad. I do various experiments so that it doesn't get boring for me. And I try to make it like a chart, so I enjoy it. And at times add curd in that or have buttermilk. It's quite filling. When we don't add salad, we end up eating more roti. After 2 hours, I have either buttermilk or a fruit or maybe almonds or roasted chana.
And then comes dinner time finally.
I gym in the evening, so once I'm back from my gym, I have dinner, which is again similar to my lunch. At times it is soup, salad, but at times it's roti, sabzi and salad.
I will try this out and I hope I end up looking as good as you because your skin is glowing and you're looking so good, Sheetal. I'm so jealous.
I'm sure you will also reduce.
Is your family also following this diet with you or they are indulging themselves right now?
Well, it's not easy to change everyone, but I do see changes slowly. Even my daughter has picked up few habits and now she's following it. My husband is a foodie. He'll say, you keep your diet to yourself, let me enjoy my life. But slowly he's picking up things and he says, yeah, yesterday I had that and I'm feeling very energetic today. In office I was very energetic and focused. I said, see, it does help you. Yes.
शीतल अथा ना जो हमें सुन रहे हैं वो नेट पे कहाँ पकड़ सकते हैं?
You can catch me on my blog, sheetalhealthguidance.com.
You're looking forward to great fitness. Sheetal, you are a diet consultant. You're also working in the IT industry. Tell us what else do you like to do? Me time, free time?
I always make sure I get my time daily. I love dancing and gymming. It's kind of an addiction for me. My husband says, I mean, if मैं gym नहीं जाएगी तो क्या होगा? I said, नहीं, बहुत कुछ जाएगा. I miss a lot. And give me 1 hour, it's my time. And he says, okay, fine, go enjoy.
Your husband's name is Girish.
Girish. It's a love marriage. He's from Karnataka.
Tell me, how did you guys meet? Love stories. Bata.
We were working in the same office and that's how we met. It was at Cashtek in Pune, more than 12 years.
Very sweet. And do you also like to travel, to read?
Absolutely. I love driving a lot. I want to do intra-city drive. I think that's fun to do, especially because there are different kind of roads, hills. It's kind of a stress release. You see nature, you listen to music. What else you need? I think it's amazing. Been to Lavasa, Panchgani, Alibag, Mahabaleshwar. My next target is Goa. I hope I do that.
Here's looking forward to you sending me pics from Goa then. That's Shubhra,
Yeah,
I
that's-
did it, okay?
That's nice. Yes.
It's been nice chatting up with you, Sheetal Atha.
Thank you so much, Shubhra.
If you want to catch Sheetal Atha and all her diet plans, then all you need to do is log on to
sheetalhealthguidance.com.
You can also find her on Facebook. शीतल अथा इसी नाम से मिल जाएंगी. चल रहा है आज प्ले योर म्यूजिक डे ऑन 94.3 रेडियो 1.